Welcome the our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Airtable for managing LinkedIn connections list step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Airtable website at airtable.com. On the homepage, click on the Sign Up for Free button. You will be directed to a registration form. You can sign up using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. If you choose to register with your email, enter your email address and create a password. After filling out the form, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email for a confirmation message from Airtable. Open the email and click on the verification link to confirm your account. Once your account is verified, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be taken to the Airtable dashboard. To create a new base for your LinkedIn connections, click on the Add a Base button. You can choose to start from scratch or select a template. For managing LinkedIn connections, choose to start from scratch for a customized approach. Name your base something relevant, like LinkedIn connections. Once the base is created, you'll see a grid layout. In the grid, click on the first column header to rename it. Label the first column as name for your connections. Add additional columns for relevant information, such as job title, company, email, and notes. To customize columns further, click on the arrow next to the column titles. For example, set the email column to email format and job title to single line text. Now, you're ready to start adding your LinkedIn connections. Manually input details of each connection, or import them from a CSV file for quicker access. To import, click on the View drop-down menu and select Import Data. Follow the prompts to upload your CSV file containing connection details. Once your data is imported, you can organize, filter, and sort your connections using Airtable's features. Use the filter option to view specific connections based on industry or job title if needed. Consider adding views for different purposes, such as a follow-up view or important connections. Utilize the collab. Every time you connect with a new person on LinkedIn, remember to update your Airtable base. This will help you maintain an organized and efficient list of your LinkedIn connections. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your LinkedIn connections using Airtable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.